things come through your place?
No, so we've got over 30 million in grant that we've given out. So that relates to about over 200 projects.
200 projects.
Different IPs are being generated in different fields. Yeah, from aerospace, from marine and everything. Yeah, for prototyping, someone is willing to spend for it. And then when it comes to manufacturing, you're looking at a small quantity, not really on a large batch. So if you really want to 3D print larger quantities, we would say there is an inflection point whereby 3D printing doesn't make sense. Then you would go back to traditional way of manufacturing. But up to a certain point, it still makes sense in terms of as a business strategy. So with 4D printing, what we're talking about here is really the fourth dimension is an external factor, which could be temperature, changes in temperature. So for example, not just in healthcare, so a sun shading device that's 3D printed, which has got sensors on it, and it moves based on the temperature of the external environment. That is, in a way, and it opens and closes as how the temperature changes. That is 4D printing.
Oh, right. Okay. So she was talking about bringing it into the medical.
She's trying to bring that into the medical. I'm trying to figure that out, how she's going to do that. But I think
would the body temperature have something? This was for
so it's like,
I suppose for
like an implant,
right? And breast implant.
Breast implant. So the 3D printed object goes into the breast, and so that it, based on the basal temperature of the body, it opens up such that they can do the surgery.
Okay.
So it's a bit mind-blowing, but I'm trying to figure it out myself. But yeah, but that's a project that they're working on. Today we have a lot of 3D printing activity happening in aerospace. So you've got the engines being 3D printed. GE has done it, and they have tested it many rounds, and have got parts certified that goes into it. But healthcare, you see a lot, as I said earlier, surgical guides are being 3D printed because there, again, it is about saving lives. So it is about, I was just talking to a heart surgeon, and he actually 3D printed the heart of a child, and because there were some complications which they could not have detected had they not scanned the child and got that scan and 3D printed it and then sliced it to see what exactly is happening inside the heart before they could actually go in and intervene. So from that aspect, even without actually having to put something into the child's body, you could prevent accidents from happening, and they, now the child is cured from that particular surgery.
So you could develop things, for instance, that could help Abi recover from a long run quicker. Would that be that be too optimistic?
No, see,
for his sake.
Exactly. So that could be one of a project that we can fund, literally. So we've got some funding to give out as well. So we say, Abi comes to us and say, hey, look, we want to find a solution to this pressing problem that we have. Can 3D printing solve it? We could work with researchers, and then we can spin off a company and make it really sustainable, and you can live stream about it, and we'll find a role for you in it.
You can cook some dishes,
and you could cook some very healthy dishes bought from the farmers from Kranji. Yeah, and I'll buy it, and I'll come for dinner.
I just want to ask a question. Today, food is a huge topic because there's so much contamination. We are eating microplastic in our diet today. Hippocrates was saying about let thy food be your medicine, and let medicine be thy food. So, and with all this contamination, and to fuel the human body to accomplish amazing feat like what Abi is doing, I'm seeing a future whereby maybe one day all our food will be 3D printed with ingredients that is maybe using vegetable to make it look like beef steak and taste like beef steak, and it's happening already. So how far do you think we are away from that future where we will just go to the kitchen, press a button, I want this steak, and then all this sauce or ingredient will just come out and cook?
I'm an architect turned technology guy, right? So my heart is in design, and I think we should design our food through like what Audrey is saying. I think 3D printing leave it to some of the hardcore stuff, the real industrial 3D printing. I think for food and all that, yeah, it's nothing like grandma's food or mom's food, right? We always resonate with that.